Now, new in IntelliMagic Vision 8.10 is the visibility into your TCP/IP infrastructure, which provides a critical communication link both between mainframes and for traffic to and from the mainframe to other servers in your environment. It's not a new data source, but one that may not have received as much attention in the past from a reporting perspective. So let's pull up the TCP/IP viewpoint. And again, this lends itself well to dashboards. So you can see there's a set of dashboards here that are evaluating numerous metrics, dozens of metrics, and identifying any conditions that may warrant some attention. All right, in terms of the kind of other metrics that are available, here we see the average number of connections by processor, and we could drill into that by system, or we could drill in by socket, which is kind of an address space type construct, or we could drill in by port number. And the port data can be helpful to determine the extent to which encrypted connections are being used. They typically have distinct ports. Also here, just samples of other metrics. Here's a rate of connections, which again can be drilled by system, by socket, or by port. And then also the maximum number of connections, which again can be drilled in any one of those manners. Here's a report of multicast traffic by processor, and then we can drill into that by interface and see that in this example, in this processor, the traffic between the two interfaces is well balanced. Another source of data that's available here is the OSA channel data, and there's utilizations for the bus, for the microprocessors, and for bandwidth. Here's configuration data, and we can see that the 10 gigabit OSA channels are Charlie 0 and Charlie 1, and so we zoom into the bandwidth utilization and look at it again, drill down by channel path. We can see the activity that's happening on those 10 gigabit channel Charlie 0 and Charlie 1 paths.